The Vis4Grad system is designed to support bias-aware application review for university admissions. Vis4Grad is designed by researchers at Emory University in Atlanta, Georgia. From the home page, you can navigate to 3 key pages in the Vis4Grad system: the individual rating page, my summary page, and group summary page. Before using the system, the admissions committee has assigned a list of applicants to each reviewer and predefined a set of criteria for which applicants will be rated. Those criteria include academic preparedness, research preparedness, teaching preparedness, and communication proficiency. These are rated on a scale of 0, which clearly fails the requirement, to 5, which clearly exceeds the requirement. In the individual rating page, a reviewer can independently review applications grouped according to those that have been assigned to you for application review in round 1, interviews in round 2, and all other applicants. Let's focus on applications I've been assigned in round 1. Applicants are selected by clicking the drop-down list or arrow keys in the top right of the window. Let's look at the applicant Emily Hale. In the profile window, I can see the applicant's information, including their name, interested faculty, undergraduate institution, major, and GPA. I can navigate between documents in the application by selecting the tabs at the top to read the personal statement, letters of recommendation, transcripts, and other documents. Comments on the applicant can be added on the right-hand side, like this one, that the applicant has a non-traditional academic background, but very strong letters. Here is how I would add a test comment. Beneath the comments is the rating section, where I can rate applicants along the predefined criteria. In this case, academic preparedness, research preparedness, communication proficiency, and teaching preparedness. There is also an overall recommendation rating from not competitive to very highly competitive. These ratings are automatically logged to a persistent database, so you don't need to jot your notes or ratings down anywhere else. Now, while you are reviewing the applications, the system logged your clicks on the documents. This gives new data about your process that is otherwise not captured when you just read through PDFs. This interaction is used in my summary to give you insight into your own review process. Analysis of your interactions is only visible to you, not the other reviewers. In the individual summary, reviewers can interactively analyze their process for evaluating candidates. Let's move to the My Summary page. This page features an interactive box plot to show you the time that you spent analyzing applications across gender, race, and overall recommendation. In this case, I can see that I spent roughly equal time interacting with application materials for male and female applicants on average, which is good. But I had a pretty wide distribution for those who identified their race as Asian, with some people only receiving about 2 minutes for the review. When I hover on the dot representing this application, Kevin Dennis, I can see their details populate in the profile view. I can see that my ratings for each of the dimensions were quite high, but I gave an overall lower recommendation. Maybe I need to go back for a second look. I can also see that the time spent on each document in their application packet is animated in the bar chart. It looks like I missed reading their writing sample in the diversity statement. So I'm going to click on the circle to go back to the ratings page, look through their packet again, and update my recommendation. Moving back to the My Summary page, if I click on the Scatter Plot tab, I have the ability to look at my review process through an interactive scatter plot. In this tab, the filters on the left-hand side are now active, so I can use that to narrow down my view. In this case, I want to check how consistent I was with the applicants that I rated as not competitive, since a not competitive ranking will exclude people from further consideration at this stage in the review process. I select the filter to view only individuals I rated as not competitive, and set the axes to view communication and research, which are the criteria that I think are the most important. In this scatter plot, I can see the points are colored based on the applicant's gender. It looks like I've used the not competitive ranking pretty often for female applicants, and knowing that we're receiving only about 25% of applications from females, I better check what's going on there. I can see that there's one female applicant who I gave a high communication rating, but still gave an overall rating of not competitive. I can see I made several positive comments about their recommendation letters, communication skills, development skills, advocacy, and so on. I'll click on this circle to go back and read their application further. If appropriate, I can update my applicant ratings. This view and associated tutorial will become available once all independent reviews have been completed. Until then, the group summary will remain disabled. The Vis4Grad system is designed to support a reflective, bias-aware application review process for university admissions. For more information about the system, please visit vis4grad.github.io.